Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you guys how to get the new car in a dusty trip. I know that I keep on saying that I will post a lot of videos during the summer holiday, but the reason that I didn't post any video because I had no idea what kind of videos to make. I know this ain't a proper excuse, but that was my reason. But I need you guys to comment down below and let me know which videos you would like me to make. But I'll try to think as well, and sorry for not uploading again, as it is my fault. Also hit that subscribe button since I'm on the road to 1000 subscribers. Back to the topic of this video. You must go to this landmark at 4,200 meters and enter this room inside of the building. You should be able to see this golden gas can. You must pick it up and weld it to your car. We aren't done yet. There is a last gas can or fuel can located on top of these boxes. When you collect it, weld it to your car, then drive to 4730 meters, and you should see a gas station there. The gas station isn't that far, it will take you 1 minute in a normal car. When you get to this landmark, you must get out your weapon, as there are some mutants here. When you kill all the mutants, get 2 of the golden gas can. Or get 1 gas can and enter this building inside. Drop the gas can on the floor and open the cap of the gas can, which is this red dot. After opening the cap, this part is a bit tricky. You must try to move the gas can like this and liquid should drop on the boxes. There should be a button for mobile players. Xbox should be a button called LB, and PC. There should be a control guide at the left screen. But I'm not sure what the letter on keyboard is called, and for PS4 or PS5, I'm not sure as well, but I think you can click the triangle button to show the guide. Also, if you want to know if the liquid went on the boxes should turn black. And close the cap to save gas. When you make all the boxes black, find this torch, which should look like a wooden stick on fire. Grab it and make the torch contact with the boxes, and the boxes should be on fire. Basically, move the torch around while it's touching the boxes. You can see that over time boxes are disappearing, and there is another room visible. When you enter the room, do not make these boxes on fire. These are the correct boxes that should be on fire. When all the boxes disappear, you can see a key on the floor. Get it, and the car is yours. Time to review the car. Normal engine and normal radiator. Looks like you can fit medium-size objects inside of the trunk. The seats inside of this car looks comfortable. It's in the correct position. Correct position as well. Correct position as well. Driver's seat is in the correct position, and the speedometer is digital. The headlight looks very nice, and the exact brightness. The acceleration is quite good, and the top speed is 138 kilometers per hour, which isn't that great. The brakes is very good. Time to check the oil, water, and gas consumption. 0.1 oil used. 0.3 water used. 0.4 gas used. So all three of the consumptions is very good. But the top speed of the car is wrong. I recommend you to get this car since it is very easy to obtain. Thank you all for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Bye guys.